Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2015 Montauk. Fantastic boat, small boat, fits in your garage. It's got the comes included with the galvanized with the fold back tongue on it, so it will fit in your garage no problem. Keeps it out of the weather. One of the real key points to be able to keep, especially down here, to keep the boat out of the sun. So great, and it does come with it. It is included. So the redesign on the Montauk, you can see with the lines much smoother, a lot less boxier, and the ride is much better. So it's a much better improved ride than it used to be as well. So the redesign has been fantastic. It's got a little bit of real teak highlighting on it, so real teak. And then as we move to the back of the boat, you're going to see it's powered with the Mercury Four-Stroke right here. It's a 60 horsepower, and it's plenty for a 15-foot boat. More than enough power to get you right up on the plane and give you a good top end on it as well. Draft is under a foot. It'll get you anywhere in the backwaters that you want to go, and it'll take you out in the Gulf safely as well. So great boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 15 Montauk. Let's start with a couple of neat features that they have on it. Set up for fishing very, very well on the back of the boat. So you've got a couple of rod holders, a couple of drink holders, and then two more on each side as far as extra holders as well. You got a place to keep 2 5-gallon pails in the back, all locked in, not going to rattle around, not going to spill. Nice new feature they come out with the new redesign. And then you've got your live well conveniently right here. So bait's right there where you need it, plenty of room for the bait. And if you're fishing, you get the seat. You can actually sit back here. You can sit fishing off the back of the boat. And if you're driving, you just take it, you open it up. Now I can sit facing forward. Plenty of room to keep a GPS up here. Traditional whaler steering wheel. And let's move towards the bow. You've got storage underneath. There's your battery, keeping your canvas. So this does have a canvas package on it. As you can see, it's got the covers, the helm seat cover and the console cover, which is nice to have. Keeps the dirt and dust off of it. And as we move around to the bow of the boat, we've got 4 rod holders, place to keep some knives, a couple of lures up here, another seat up here which doubles as a cooler, so someone for sitting in the front comfortably, keeping the beverages cold as well. If you're just going for a ride, you've got the bow cushion up here, but if you are fishing, just take the bow cushions off. This is all non-skid, so it's a great fishing platform. So the boat does everything very, very well for a 15-foot boat. You want to go to the beach, drive it right up on the beach, hop on and off, no problem. Fishing does that very well also. Fits in the garage, fantastic. So if you got any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.